Alright, you can see I've got my rudder here on the table off my stands. I've gone ahead and done my flat area here, and now I'm working on the curved surface. You can see that I've gone and made cuts in between each 1/8 inch hole, which is 1 inch apart, and I've gone ahead and done the bottom side in this case, and I've gone ahead and applied the double sticky tape to the top side, and now I'm going to start working them around to get all the wrinkles out as best I can. Again, I use just the double sticky tape to hold it in place and work it out until I get it all. And it sometimes can get tricky. You just got to be patient, and again, just like the corner we had up at the leading edge, the trailing edge corner at the top, we just had to do it 2 or 3 and sometimes 4 times to get it as perfect as we want. Of course, if you're happy with wrinkles, you can go ahead and leave them there, but I always try to get it as best I can the first time. Also here on the leading edge, I've gone ahead and finished that little cutout, and then once I go ahead and get this curve finished, I'll go ahead and show you how to do the hinge points.